How to make homemade hot chocolate. Hot cocoa made with cocoa powder tends to have a smoother, more velvety texture when whisked properly. In a small bowl, combine the cocoa powder, sugar, and salt. Cocoa powder is a versatile ingredient. Cocoa powder allows for creative customization. You can add spices like cinnamon or cayenne. You can change the type of sweetener to honey or agave. I used sucralose instead of sugar. With cocoa powder, you can control the sweetness level by adjusting the amount and type of sugar. In a small saucepan over medium heat, warm the milk until it's hot but not boiling. Add the cocoa mixture to the warm milk. Whisk continuously until the cocoa powder and sugar dissolve completely. Stir in the vanilla extract. Pour the hot cocoa into a mug. Top with whipped cream or marshmallows if desired, and enjoy.